Satang shpau benai bag jala Metbah kan lecek election chin umi khmat shaka yeng rabar thau ang jala house nam arjar fly nakaliang president ka United Democratic Party UDP uba Metbah lungdo ula Pynthikna bagi don katto kan igi MLA ki bonwan pynïasoh shaka party da ka papan pau bagi ni MLA ki bonwan pynïasoh kini aireng election banwan nak tiket UDP ula ong bag cing ikran kelaya chakmat pat bun ngut kidong ilam sang partai ki batrang manta bonwan itrilang haka party Hakawai perkaliang ulah kentaj berkindon gi MLA nak parti kiban patch kiwei pat kisang san partai pat ong babaro prangot kidon nak jinglong kawai halo kecil drung ginong ngelam cek NPP ulah ong baka parti kam kwa ban peni kat ba 4 dai ka puar ka babiang.
See, now talks is going on. Few MLAs have already confirmed joining our party, so few more will join.
So many.
They'll come to know in the very near future.
How will the party keep its MLAs intact?
Sorry?
How will the party keep its MLAs intact?
Our MLAs, UDP MLAs. All are intact. All the MLAs are intact.
No, but so we are.
You heard anything about our MLAs? Please give me some inputs also.
So, but we are seeing a massive, induction drive for many political parties. When can we see the UDP conduct these, induction drives?
No, MLAs, nobody has done it so far.
No, NPP has got many leaders for the upcoming elections, but we haven't seen NPP.
We needed to show. We will show at the right time. Why to display now?
How many MLAs are coming to your floor?
Huh?
How many MLAs are coming?
How many you think, Majus? As per your assessment?
4 or 5?
Minimum 4 or 5.
What about Garhwal, sir? Will you be concentrating more on Garhwal this time?
We will concentrate on wherever there's a scope for us. People feel that they want UDP, and I can see now that move is on there in
But
Garhwal.
just 10 months roughly left, so that work should have been started.
No. We're still okay. We'll not rush that fast. We'll do anything. We'll take any decision at the appropriate time.
Are you confident of a good show in the upcoming election?
Yeah. Very much. I'm very confident. Yeah, people are with us. Simple. People are with us, I'm telling you.